I've got some example footage that I shot directly from my iPhone. The sound quality is okay, but you can hear there's a bit of background hissing, a bit of background noise.
And I think they know most customers.
So you can tell it could be a bit more professional, and that's easy to do in Premiere Pro. Normally what I do, say last year, is have to export the audio track, put it into the Adobe Podcast website, enhance it, download it, and then re-import it back, which is of course is a bit of a faff. But these days, the newer versions of Premiere Pro have that technology built in. So to do this, you can go over to an icon. You'll see there's an icon here next to the FX logo somewhere on the audio track. This is auto-detecting with AI what kind of audio track it is, and Adobe has successfully determined this is dialogue, which is great. If you click on it, it brings up the panel Essential Sound. This is where we're going to do all of our auto enhancements. If it's detected your dialogue as not dialogue, you can switch this, but considering it's been correctly identified, let's just go ahead. First of all, you can add some presets. This is not mandatory. You can just enhance it anyway, but if there is a particular effect you want to add on, you can do so. You'll notice these effects are very similar to the presets from Adobe Audition. So if you want something quite extreme, you could actually have, say, a radio effect.
We won't say anything. Whenever I
etc, etc, you get the idea. But for this, I'm just going to put it back onto default. But anyway, the enhance button pretty much is just here. There's not much else to say, but you can just press the enhance button, and this essentially does the exact same thing, is running it through the Adobe Podcast website. So just go ahead and click it. What I will say, and this is not a very long audio track, it's like a minute long. It does take a little while. So I can imagine if you had like a 30-minute video, this could take quite a few minutes to enhance. It's not the quickest to do so. But there we go. It's actually been enhanced. So let's go ahead and listen to it.
And I think they know most customers probably won't say anything.
And there you go. You get the lovely sounding AI assisted effects. It makes it sound super professional, and you shouldn't be hearing any more background noise as well.